Hello everyone, today on the operating table big headphones.
Наушники большие, такие, дешевые. У них, в общем,
Here the wire is broken. Only one earphone plays. If you do it like this, both play.
играют оба.
So, I started Googling how to remove this embouchure, and yes, that's what it is like. In the end, there was nothing complicated. You just scroll through it and
Прокручиваешь.
that's how it is. And it opens, and you just, in general, get him, little by little. There is nothing complicated. I'll unscrew it now.
Откручивать.
How much do we have here? 1, 2, 3 screws and like this? Well, focus. Like this, a screwdriver for some reason breaks off. It won't catch it there.
Почему-то срывается. Не залазит она туда. Блин, а это слишком маленькая.
I don't have the strength to clamp, tighten, or twist them, but I have the right bits, so to speak. Where can I go?
Вот, так сказать, биты. Куда деваться? Буду откручивать левой рукой. Сейчас попробуем, а тут еще.
This is the foam rubber. It was probably glued on.
Поролонка, она, видать, была на клею. Как вам показать? Вот клей, видите, вот. Клей.
It doesn't stick well, and it gets dirty, and apparently it came unstuck. And that's how it dangles there. We have 2 latches underneath it.
Там у нас под ней 2 защелки.
Let's try now. Oh yeah, that's what I thought. It probably won't work.
Хотя нет, вот пошло. Ремонт какой будет?
So, my screw fell on the floor.
На пол.
I won't be able to get it. I have this little thing.
Сейчас я его просто... Да, вот
It's good that it's magnetic. Where is he? Here it is. Here it is. I say, here it is. See?
очень удобная штучка. Если кто вообще будет смотреть этот ремонт, если кого заинтересовало, пишите, я...
I'll leave the bag.
Так. Кому нужна такая штука? Блин, нет, не хватает мне силы правой руки. Скоро, наверное, вообще ничего делать не смогу. На магнит все складывать. Так, я осталось последний.
Last. So, what is it? Self-tapping screw. Screw. So, what do we do next? Here we just apply a little effort.
Прикладываю небольшое усилие.
You. Chinese. Look how they did it.
Как сделали.
The situation was resolved simply. Well, basically, yes, there's nothing like that here. There won't be any movement, so they're here with 2 of them. Paper ones, as I understand it, even some kind of paper masking tape is just sticky tape, and here they are.
Ну вот они просто... В общем...
They isolated it like, and everything here will probably be a bit difficult for me because
Сложновато мне, потому что... Так, она выйдет, нет, отсюда? Что-то хрустит все. Она должна выходить. А он, наверное, приклеен. Эта штучка.
it's a little glued. I can even see where the break will come.
Вижу, где обрыв. Придется... Блин, что придется делать-то?
We'll have to cut it off completely here. We got it from here. Look.
Здесь. Доставать вот отсюда. Блин. То смотри, что. Вот. Блин, я сломал, что ли? Ну да. С одной стороны обломил. Странно. Ну,
Well,
так, в общем.
that's it, basically. So, what do we need here?
Блин,
Damn,
как бы
how would I free it from there?
освободить оттуда. Блин, надо было, наверное...
Basically, it won't fall out from here. It will hold, no big deal. If something happens, I'll drop some glue. The thing is that you have to get it out from the inside somehow.
Надо ведь ее изнутри как-то вытащить.
I'll probably have to drill it out. Although it seems like it's not, that's the impression that it's moving now means that.
Такое впечатление, то, что ходит. Значит, сейчас что?
Good. The wires are colored here. Now I'll open it up and see how it's done there. What kind of wires are they? Because it's
Вспомнено вообще, что за провода, потому что это
rag insulation.
изоляция.
It's glued so well that it tears.
Рвется. Да
No,
нет,
if I clean it,
вижу там.
I can see solder there. If I clean it, I can try.
Ну тогда
What do? I cut it off here, pull these out, then clean it, thread it through there again.
продеваю его туда. И
And I will already solder it to these. It will be higher. This will be lower. Everything is still disconnected, as
общаюсь, как
I will turn on at some stage of the repair. In general, everything worked out for me. So with the help of first,
получилось, значит, с помощью сперва
a thin servo, then a thicker one, I managed, well, accordingly with needles, picks, all sorts of things, I managed this thing.
удалось вот эту штуку вот высверлить,
So that the new wire would go here with little effort.
чтобы у нас новый уже провод с небольшим, так сказать, усилием зашел, в общем, сюда вот. И теперь будем мы колдовать. Так, у нас откуда вход был? Вот отсюда. Вот так вот.
Now I will dissolve one by color. It will go to this ear. I will solder it to the other. So I specially began to also these and
Вот я оставил специально даже эти кусочки.
wires, here they are there, you see, so that I can also solder.
Чтобы также припаять. Ну, в принципе, тут разницы нет никакой. Куда какой припаивать. Ну и, возможно, подклею поролонку. О, чё, пока
It shows, but I will assemble the latches. It seems I didn't break everything. Everything is fine. Nothing to worry about. The side is tense.
Тут тоже ничего страшного, она прижмется и будет держаться. Все будет, как говорится, по красоте. Так, вот так вот. И чтобы провод не вылетал, но, блин, они какие-то хиленькие. Есть, видите? Вот
Here are 3 of these poofs. These 3, that is, the wire.
как бы он тут. О, вот они, вот эти 3. То есть провод как
Somehow it should.
образом
Yeah,
должен у нас
it'll probably be a little bit longer.
подлиннее,
It sits in the landing place here.
да? И
And so that if you pull,
тянуть,
you see, it
хоп-хоп-хоп уходит. Чтобы такого не было, наверное,
probably
надо будет
will have to make a loop somehow.
петельку.
Although, in my opinion, loops, or maybe cylinders,
Ну, в
In general, I thought, first I need to. I myself am interested in how it can be done. It won't fit there. Yeah, it won't fit there. Maybe it's... They won't fit in there with one wire either, even if I take and insert one. Although it fit, it took a lot of effort. Okay, I didn't come up with something. Maybe I'll just put it on hot glue and that's it. Well, now I'll solder it now. I won't show it. I'll show the finished result. So the next day already means I can still say everything turned out well. Not. To solder in general, to solder to these small wires, it turns out that in this wire, not everything is so simple. One core there, in general, completely. Next to the other one, there is only hair. There is some kind of rag thread, and that is it does not have its own insulation. One wire, everything works out. Now I will not glue the bashura, it will close anyway, and will not fall out. I will assemble, and that's all in principle on this. I think it is finished quite successfully. Of course the wire became somewhere like this, shorter 10 centimeters, maybe maximum. But now not one ear works, but two. Well, that's it. Good luck to everyone. Successful repairs. And bye, see you soon.